Hello, this is Mail Notify. So before anything, we'd like to go over 3 problems. The first one is uncertain delivery times. As you guys know, I'm sure you're aware, delivery sites don't always have the clearest delivery time instructions. They have vague packet tracking, and we have no choice but to constantly check if our delivery has arrived. Secondly, postbox spamming is still a huge problem that advertisement companies still use. And the third one is constantly having to check the postbox, because many institutions, including governments, they still use post as a way of sending crucial information. So you have no choice but to constantly check and monitor. We wanted to create a postbox mail. We want to create a system that turned postbox mail into email. So every time you receive letters in your postbox, a picture of that is sent to you as a notification and email. How this works is we have a letter detector, and every time it detects a letter, it sends a picture of that letter to the server. The server sends a notification to you. We use Twilio for the notifications, and the server also stores it in the database, which we use CockroachDB for. And all the website does is it just fetches the information from the database and displays it to you.
Mail Notify features ultrasonic detection, SMS email notification using Twilio, camera capture, and a user-friendly website. The APIs used are Firebase for the authentication, React for the website, and then the backend features stuff like the Twilio and CockroachDB. And for the hardware side, we use Raspberry Pi components.
So here's a demonstration of what we built.
All right, so here's our hardware component in action. I've tilted this up a little bit so we can get a better camera angle, but let's pretend I'm the mailman, and all I need to do is just slip this letter right in here, and the sensor would detect it. And the camera right there would take a picture of that and send that to my email. So in a second here, this is now updated to the database, and it has been sent to me as an email.
And as you can see from my email, I have received a notification from mailnotify4893, and this contains the image that the camera took. The positioning wasn't necessarily great, but the system is working, and the SMS right here, as you can see, also worked. Okay, so here's our web application. So all you need to do is click login or sign up, and this uses the Firebase authentication system to keep track of users and their passwords. So I'm not going to go over this in too much detail, but right now, let's just say, for example, I log into my account, excuse-me092@gmail.com, and the password right now is temporarily set to 123456, and if I just click login, and it should log me in here and show me that I have a letter right here. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you enjoyed our project.